Welcome to the free time savings calculator and efficiency ROI or return on investment. You can also embed this calculator on your site to drive more traffic and leads for your business. It's easy and only takes a few seconds. I'm going to demo how to use this. I'm going to go over the features of this real quick, briefly. You can come on over and check this out for yourself. And if you want, you can embed this on your own website. Absolutely free to you. So you can bring value to your visitors and increase your time on site, engagement, all that stuff. But here's the tool. Calculate your time savings and return on investment. Discover how much time and money your team can save with automation tools. Input your information. You got a currency. You got US dollar, euro, British pound, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Choose whatever applies to you. Time frame, monthly, yearly. Tool service cost per month. Number of people on the team. Average hourly rate per person. Bill annually, get a discount. You got an option for that. Working weeks per year. And then you got tasks and processes. Task 1, process name. Hours the week before, hours the week after. And you can also put a checkbox for applies to the whole team. And you got 3 different tasks you could put in here. So if you don't need to fill them all out, you could just do 1 or whatever. And you're good to go, or 0, whatever. Optional, error costs. Error cost per month before, error cost per month after. And then when you click this button here, it's going to calculate your time savings. Watch how cool this is. Here we go right here. Your time savings and return on investment results. Hours saved per year, $675. Money saved per year, $33,750. Return on investment, 0. Payback period, over a month. Before versus after comparison. Weekly time spent before, weekly time spent after, and it gives you a comparison chart. Annual savings projection. You got labor savings, error cost reduction, total annual savings, annual total cost, net annual gain. So it fills that out for you. Task breakdown. Monthly client reporting, pulling ad data from multiple platforms, fixing reporting mistakes. And it tells you the value, hours saved a week, hours the week after, hours week before. And if you want this awesome tool, it looks very professional. Like I said, it's going to increase the time engagement on your site, and it's a cool free tool to add to your site if it relates to your business at all. Here's how you're going to do that. I'm going to show you right here. All you got to do is copy this code. For this one, you just copy, left-click your mouse all the way down where it says iframe with the closing tag right here. Just copy that. Very small code, as you can see. That's all you need to copy. We're going to double check, make sure it's copied. And then we're going to go over to one of my sites. I've already got this set up from a previous one. We're going to delete this one and put in this one. And we'll just put time savings calculator. Oh, we spelled that calculator wrong on the keyboard. Here we go. Let's fix this. There we go. So we're going to put the HTML right here. And let me show you how to do this real quick. There's a plus box right here if this is in WordPress. And it should be similar no matter what you're using. But in WordPress, there's a plus box right here. You're going to click that. You're going to click Custom HTML. And then you're going to, where it says Write HTML, you're going to paste that code. You're going to hit Preview. And there it is. You're good to go. And you're going to have a beautiful calculator, a beautiful working calculator on your site that you can also share with other people, or just place it on your site to, for your visitors, to give them value, give them a reason to keep coming back to your site. And that's that. And obviously you're going to want to fill out this a little more description and maybe a little bit more about the tool and all that stuff. But that's basically how it works. Easy. It only takes obviously less than a minute to put that code in. And if you want to change, one more thing I'm going to show you. Right here where it says style width, it says 100%, minimum height, 1400 pixels. You can change these. So if you want it taller to get rid of those, if there's arrows going up and down, and you want the thing taller, you can put this up to 3400 pixels. Let's do that. I'll show you what it looks like. When we hit preview again, and you can see, you're going to see the whole thing there, almost the whole thing. So if you want that whole thing, you can go even larger with it. Let's go to 5,400, see what happens. And there you go. Shows up absolutely perfect. So that's how easy this is to put on your site. Get a working calculator, a working time savings and return on investment calculator. And like I said, you got that width option and the height option you can play with too to get it just the way you want it to go. But that's that. If you want to check this out for yourself, the link's going to be directly below in the video description box. You can come on over, check it out, and download it. And if you have any questions, shoot me a comment in the comment section below. If you like this video, hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for future video updates. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.